What's up, folks? So here's the deal. The last big conference was in November at DEF CON. The next big conference is going to be ETHCC, no, sorry, not, what's that? ETH Denver is going to be in the end of February. Now, how do you build the pipeline during these 3 months if there is no conferences? And a lot of people only rely on conferences to build pipeline, which is like surprisingly. So I hope you're not that person, but I'm making this video for you. So here's the thing. First of all, prospecting on Telegram is gonna win you the whole game. Like, you can do email, you can do LinkedIn, you can do whatever you want, you can do WeChat, like if your people are there. But I do Telegram because my reply rates on Telegram are huge and my reply rates on email and on LinkedIn are small. And this is gonna be true for 99% of people here. So, if you can use Telegram, use any tools to boost your Telegram prospecting, use Enrich, join other communities, communities of BDs, communities of people that are like very close, trying to get somewhere where it's like gated, where it's only selected people are allowed there and doing business there, or pinging your old friends or connections that just change jobs. This is going to help you to set the first step in building the pipeline. The second thing you can do is building out a relationship with a few people that are going to be referring business to you. So let's say you have a selected list of friends that know what kind of companies you want to close in these 3 months, and then you go to them and you share this list with them and you say, hey, if you refer these guys to me and I close them, this is how much money you will get, this is how much money I will get, and everybody's going to be happy, because for your referrals it's just an introduction and they have a way to monetize their own network and their own connections without doing almost anything. The only thing that they're risking is their reputation, because if you're gonna go there and fuck up with that contact, then it's gonna be, it's gonna be bad for your referral. Just make sure that's why you need to really work on your relationship with referral. Show them that you are a normal person, that you have your own things. Maybe like if your friend can be your referral with whom you know each other for a couple of years, that's the best, because there is already this trust established. And just make sure that you have a couple of people that are going to be doing this for you. Don't rely on them, because you never control how many people will be referred to you, and sometimes you need a lot of them and referrals are sending just a few, so you have no control over that. But make sure that you have at least something coming from referral channels. Not only should go from cold prospecting, because what's your goal? If your goal is to work like crazy 24/7, then just do the cold prospecting. But if your goal is to grow financially and close a lot of business, then try everything that you can. Sometimes referrals will yield you better results. Sometimes you need to do more cold outreach. Sometimes you need to do more the third thing, which is going to be talking with your marketing team and saying to them, hey guys, so let's brainstorm together. How can we generate more qualified inbound leads? Because your goal as a sales or BD is going to be going and closing on them. So if marketing doesn't understand who is your ICP, if marketing doesn't understand what are you selling right now, what is the focus, what is the goal right now, you're dead. You're going to have very bad leads. And overall inbound leads are come on, inbound leads is this is the first thing, because you'd never control inbound leads. If you can do something about referrals, if you can do something about Telegram prospect, you do everything about there, this is your playground as a sales guy, then inbound leads are totally on the marketing side of things. So you do not control how the marketing team is going to work. So your whole responsibility is going to go to them and make sure that they are on the same page with you, and they would work and they would do everything creatively. Maybe you need a webinar, maybe you need this, maybe you need that, maybe you need some collateral material to send to people like PDFs. Work with marketing, and more inbound leads will bring you more conversations that you will either close, or at least you will train on the inbound conversations to go and close the outbound people and the referral people. So that's going to be up to you, and that's going to be up to the closing skill that you are possessing. So that's basically it. If you want to learn more, there is way more videos and way more information about Web3 sales and BD in my YouTube. There's going to be even more value coming up in the coming months. So definitely subscribe, put a like, and there's going to be a community link waiting for you downstairs. See ya.